Today we're gonna do a first review, first check, quick test ride of Aprilia Tuono 660, a naked version of a sports middleweight bike, but a naked version. It has the same twin-cylinder engine of 659 cc's, which outputs 95 horsepower at around about 10,500 rpm and 67 newton meters of torque at the lower 8,500 rpm. It's a very light motorcycle. It's weighing at 183 kilos only. So, and it rules quite high for a twin. So I'm very interested. It's also the first Aprilia I will ever ride. And yeah, it looks quite interesting. It's quite a premium bike actually. It's from Italians. In front we got Brembo brakes, dual 310mm discs with, what's that, 4 fixed pistons, and in the back we got a single disc, it's 240 or 260mm with fixed twin pistons. So braking should be okay. 17-inch front and in the back. I'm not sure if we got a quick shifter here. That will be interesting to find. And we got Kayaba or KYB in front, forks, 130mm I think is the walk. They are not adjustable, or yes they are actually, they have adjustable, what's that, preload. And in the back we got a monoshock also by KYB, probably also adjustable. So let's adjust this. Sitting position, we are at 820mm of seat height, so I can easily stand on this bike, no problem at all times. I have contact. Let's also check this dash. I think it's 5 inches. I'm not sure, I didn't check. Quite simple. I'm not sure if it's TFT. Yeah, it's full color. Got all the information we need. Let's check the sound. Doesn't work right now. 15-liter fuel tank. So quite interesting setup. I'm very looking forward to see how it's gonna go. And we will start. Nice. Okay. The clutch grabs quite late or quite early. Let's see. Yes, the twin cylinder. Standing on a bike doesn't work at all. It's stupid. Ooh, the sound. Oh, the brake doesn't grab. The rear one, not that much. I will have to get used to that one. Have dynamic setup. It's a ride-by-wire. So we have 3 modes: range, sport, and normal. The mirrors are okay. The throttle is quite jerky. Well, doesn't grab immediately, but once it grabs, it jumps. But I do have it the first gear, so. Wow, here's some burbles. The bike is quite stable. I can trust it without hands. Position is quite focused in front. I'm not sure I'm catching the road here. It's easily triangle. Flickable, very nice setup. Let's see if it has a quick shifter. Nope. But it's a nice rumble. The legs are very set. Up there the pegs are quite high, so I am a little bit in the sportier position and I'm angled forward, so there is some weight on the wrists, but still not too focused. But For instance, much more than the Suzuki GSX 8R, and it's also more loud. Nice. I love the lights when you hit the high revs. Looking forward to push it a bit. Oh yeah, let's also try the brakes. It has blinkers, very nice. So in case you do something, it will warn the other riders as well. That's nice. Yes. Let's see. Woo! Yes, it's nice. And I feel comfortable pushing it. Easy, easy. Down. Yes. It's fast. Well, we can also we actually have cruise control here. So, can I set it? Can I learn it fast enough while I'm riding? Before but it just goes. The brake, I don't like the rear brake. It's not strong at all. It underperforms in my opinion. Maybe it's, I don't know. I just have to get used to it probably, but I don't feel comfortable using that. Interesting. Otherwise it's a great experience of riding, but it does. I do feel like I can do more. It pushes you. It's not an enjoying bike. It's more of a fast ride performance. You can angle it easily though. And it just doesn't run out of power. Very interesting setup. You will have a lot of time on this bike before you outpace it, outgrow it. I think it's a very interesting option if you want to keep a bike and really learn to ride it. And also, you know, if you want to grow more into a sports ride experience, this is a great setup. And it's also quite livable. In the city where we were, it wasn't too bad. I mean, the rear brake is not grabby at all, but you wanna jump. And it also doesn't hit the rule limiter aggressively. It's very nice. It just goes into like a neutral, some kind of, it doesn't push you, but it just stops pushing and it overrides. It goes into an overdrive, but doesn't transfer the power into your, I really hate the rear brake. That was bad. You do have to use the front, you know, and that's dangerous in the corners. But yeah, I'm also riding faster, so I guess the rear is just not strong enough anymore. So I do have to change my mindset. What we're doing now, it's not the best for me, because I don't know the bike. So I'll just stick to my skill level. Aprilia. Yeah, it also has character. It's a twin with a character. Yes. Wow. Very nice setup. And it's not a sports bike, even though you can ride it easily. It's a naked, but it doesn't even look like that. No, very nice. But the rear is so horrible, I just cannot get used to the rear brake. Yeah, you really have to squeeze it, and it's the grabbiness, it doesn't change. It's like 0 or 1, and I don't like that. It doesn't have a like a transfer mode. It's not analog, huh? It feels the... It's not like a not parallel, it's not linear grab of the brake. It's like nothing, and then suddenly it's 2, and it just locks, the rear wheel just locks. Yeah, it just wants to go into the rear wheel. 67 Newton meters of torque is plenty. It's fun bike. You could do some twisties on this every day. And yeah, it also has this very interesting rumble. It actually transfers the vibration to your balls, so you actually get a little bit of stimulation from that as well. I think it counts for something. I still haven't learned cruise control though. I don't know. Nice. Yeah, you can change some information here. Max speed, oh gotcha, 181, huh? What do you mean? But I don't know, it just doesn't work. I have to find a way. Lights, the horn. Okay. This guy is having fun, for sure. The torque is... yeah. I am at 4000 RPM. To told now. Yeah, it easily changes direction if you want. The twist is very nice, and even if you start the power though, it is jerky. So it takes a lot of skill. If you wanna do the in the corner, if you're lean and you press a little bit of gas, it jumps. That's you can be scary. So. It's not for the beginner, definitely not. I would advise 4, 5, 7 in the between at least. Yeah, I mean, it's an interesting option. I think it costs 9,000 euros or 10,000, something like that. You should check it if you're looking for something more towards sporty ride, but not completely. It's a great option. So you can still ride it daily. It's a good position. My hands don't hurt at all, even though I am leaned forward. But it pulls, no problem. Yeah, but the rear brake is the only downside here for me because I'm not used to it. That's all. Fair. It is actually, if I slowly start the throttle, it actually is very nice. It picks up very nicely, but you have to be very gentle with it. So yeah, thanks guys. This has been it. If you have any questions, follow for more, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Ta-da!
Ej, ga češ tega probo? Zadnja bremza, fucking zajebeš. Ni dosti močna. Ful je tako, nič, pa se trokira.